So today's dish we are making is with the avocado. It's called guacamole. I'm going to make it with little twist by adding turmeric extract in it and the right salt in it to make it more heart healthy. You will be seeing little bit yellow color, orange yellow, beautiful color in it, and that is due to the turmeric extract. You can take it to the neighborhood picnic, friend's home, anywhere you want to. It's easy to make and it's heart healthy. So we're gonna add some onion into these nice orange colored peppers, a little bit of the jalapeno, and then we have this like nice cilantro. So I'm adding about, you can put like 1 to 2 teaspoons of the CoCurcumin in it, and I am going to put the Wright Salt in it, and the Wright Salt is more in the high in the potassium and the 50% less sodium than the normal salt, and then it has the other minerals like the zinc and magnesium in it too. It's heart healthy and it's great for the cardiovascular system. So I'm going to add about, and it's again the salt is to the taste, so about half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon you can add in it, and I'm going to mix this. Then I'm going to squeeze some fresh lemon or lime, you can put anything in it. And we can mix this up. So this dish is ready actually. It's just if you have all the chopped ingredients, it does not take like, it takes about 5 minutes to make it. And I'm going to try this with this dish. It's really good. So I would like you to make this at home, and with this little twist with the CoCurcumin and the Wright Salt to make it more heart healthy. It's really great.